Welcome to Part 1, Geometry and Mesh of 3D Phase Change Material. My name is Muhammad Ahmed. Water is heated with the help of phase change material. Water inlet temperature is 300 K and its mass velocity is 0.05 kg/s. It's an 3D simulation on ANSYS. Our problem is concentric tube. Inner pipe diameter is 25 mm and its thickness is 1 mm. Outer pipe is 50 mm in diameter and its thickness is 1 mm. Typo error in slides 50 mm thickness written. Outer pipe is at constant temperature 511 K. Density, specific heat, and thermal conductivity changes with temperature. For simulation we will use ANSYS Fluent and our purpose is to calculate temperature contours and mass fraction. Type workbench in search bar and run it. Now drag Fluent under toolbox and drag it into project schematic. Rename the project 3D PCM. Now right-click geometry and edit it. Select XY plane. Now under tab unit select unit millimeter. Now go in draw tab under toolbox and select circle. Now draw two concentric circle on origin of XY plane. Now go in dimension tab under toolbox and give dimension inner circle equals 50 mm diameter, outer circle equals 52 mm diameter. Now under the create tab select extrude, select sketch, and apply. Now select operation add frozen and give depth 1000 mm, frozen command is used to make multiple sketches. Generate it. Select zoom to fit tab. To create fluid domain of pipe, go under the Tools tab and select Fill command and by the help of face selection filter select internal face of pipe and apply it. Generate it. Now create new sketch for internal pipe. For this select tab create new sketch and go in sketching tab and then select circle under the tab draw. Now draw two circles on XY plane. Now go in dimensions under the toolbox and give dimension to two circles. Inner circle diameter equals 25 mm and outer circle diameter equals 27 mm, this dimension for inner pipe. Select sketch 2 and under the tab create select extrude and apply it. Operation type is add frozen and depth is 1000 mm and then generate it. Under the Create tab select Boolean. Our Boolean operation type is subtract. Our target body in fluid domain and tool body is inner circle, we doing this to separate inner circle and fluid domain. We select preserve tool body to yes, because our purpose is not delete the tool body inner pipe. Now rename part / body into outer pipe, fluid domain, PCM, and inner pipe. Go on File tab and select Save Project. We will save project by creating working directory on desktop by renaming 3D PCM and rename workbench file also 3D PCM. Now right-click on Mesh, update it and then again right-click on Mesh and select Edit. Now meshing window will appear. Select Zoom to fit tab. Now hide PCM and fluid body, it will help you in select edges of inner and outer pipe. Now go on Mesh Control and select Sizing. Now select all 8 edges of inner and outer pipe. Now select Apply it. Type is no dot of division and no dot of division equals 40 and then generate it. Now go on Mesh, under the sizing function select size function equals adaptive, also off automatic mesh based defeaturing and then generate it. Now most important task is to give named selection. This will help us to select boundary condition in setup. After giving named selection, we have to save the project. On here you can see that I have by mistake select same face and give it PCM inlet and outlet, same case for inlet and outlet. This is for your understanding. Generally students do this mistake. We have to correct it by deleting name selection for wrong, select Iona and then reselect the correct one face. Now save the project. If you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel for more updates. Link for part 2 is given in description.